In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video in Confluence. If you're using Confluence for team collaboration, you might have found yourself needing to embed a YouTube video to explain a concept, showcase a product, or share a presentation. Embedding a video can streamline communication and enhance understanding among team members. Let's dive into it. To start, visit your Confluence homepage. Here, you might have multiple spaces that you work within. To ensure you're placing your video in the correct context, navigate thoughtfully to the specific space where your page resides. Spaces in Confluence often represent different projects or departments, so making sure you choose the right one will prevent any future confusion. Once you've located your space, the next step is to pick the exact page where you want the video to appear. Think of this page as the canvas where you'll be displaying your content, in this case, your YouTube video. After selecting your page, you need to click on Edit. This will allow you to make changes to the page content, and you'll see the toolbar where all the formatting options are available. It's important to be in the edit mode to embed your video, as you cannot modify or insert new elements without it. Look at the toolbar up top, where you'll find all the essential tools for formatting and inserting media. In the toolbar, find the option labeled Link. Clicking on it allows you to link to different sources, and for our purpose, we want to use a YouTube link. As a shortcut, you can also press Ctrl+K on your keyboard to quickly bring up the link option, which can save you time if you perform this task frequently. Once you have the link dialog open, go ahead and paste your YouTube video's link into it. Make sure it's a full and correct link. Sometimes copying from the address bar can contain extra tracking or shortened URLs that don't directly point to the video itself. Double-checking your link can save a lot of troubleshooting time if something doesn't appear correctly. After pasting your link, you'll want to click Insert. By doing this, Confluence will process the link and transform it into an embedded YouTube player on your page. It turns a static text link into a dynamic window where users can play the video directly without needing to navigate away from the page they are viewing. And that's it. You're set. Simply save your changes to the page, and your YouTube video will be embedded and ready for viewers. With this simple trick, you can enhance your Confluence pages and make them more engaging and informative for your team members. Happy collaborating!